Oscar de la Renta once said, "Luxury to me is not about buying expensive things. It's about living in a way where we appreciate things." Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. This is architect Deepthi, a designer from Transform. Hope you like my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Luxury in the end is about choice. यह खुद का अनुकूलन है अपने जीवन के तत्वों के साथ जिसमें आपका घर भी आता है। आपके द्वारा चयन की गई वस्तुएं आपको रिप्रेजेंट करती हैं। ये वो वस्तुएं हैं जिन्हें आप अपने जीवन में अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, जिनकी आप सराहना करते हैं। Your home decor should have a meaning, ultimately pointing back to your personality and your lifestyle. तो आज हम इस वीडियो में वॉल डेकोर सीरीज के सेकंड पार्ट को कंटिन्यू करेंगे and I'll show you how I created an ethnic beautiful wall decor with a leftover fabric. And stay tuned till the end as I'll discuss and share with you the rules of interior designing, of positioning of wall decor and wall hangings in interior designing. So, without further ado, let's get started. मेरे पास ये एक ओल्ड पिक्चर फ्रेम रखा था और एक लेफ़्ट ओवर फैब्रिक। इसके लिए हमें एक फैब्रिक, सिजर्स और फेविकोल की ज़रूरत होगी। सबसे पहले हमने फैब्रिक को फ्रेम की बैक साइड पे फेविकोल की मदद से चिपका लिया और पीछे से एक्स्ट्रा फैब्रिक को काट कर फ्रेम को अटैच कर दिया। इस तरह से हमारा वॉल डेकोर रेडी है, बट अभी ये मुझे अधूरा लग रहा था। सो आई चोज टू ड्रॉ सम पैटर्न्स ऑन इट टू गिव इट एन एथनिक लुक। These patterns are generally used to create a mandala. Mandala is also associated with Buddhism. Mandala as an art form first appeared in Buddhist art that were produced in India. That's why I thought of using these patterns on a Buddha wall frame to complete and finish its look. And tada, our ethnic Buddha frame is ready. Isn't it looking nice? This ethnic wall piece can be used anywhere to adorn your walls. It can be used in your Zen space as well, as it is giving calm and peaceful vibes. Now I'll tell you how we should go about hanging the art on the walls. According to interior designing, generally there are some rules to hang the art pieces on the walls. And according to those rules, we will proceed further. There are 3 basic rules for hanging the artwork. First rule is to hang your art by its center. The artwork's center should be at 57 inches from the ground to match average eye level. ऐसे हैंग करके आप artwork को comfortably admire कर सकते हैं। As you already know, the wall decor's focal point should be at 57 inches mark, but this is not where it will hang from. So, you will need to determine where to place the hangers. Second rule is, when hanging artwork above furniture or other obstructions, the eye level rule doesn't apply always. The bottom of the frame should be between 8 inches to 12 inches above the top of the furniture. Here, you can go higher than 57-inch guideline if need be. The artwork should also relate to space or furniture. Means a small work of art hanging above a long couch may not look nice. However, a large work of art or multiple works would look great. Third rule is to treat multiple works of art as one unit if hanging them all together as a gallery wall. Anchoring multiple works around the 57-inch focal point will help the collection appear balanced. The ideal spacing between multiple artworks is 3 inches to 6 inches. 57-inch rule is a good average height, but if your eye level is different, be sure to use that measurement when hanging art. Sometimes you have to break the rules to start a fire. And that's pretty okay with home decor, as the best design projects are those where people broke the rules. But don't break all the rules, as the rules are there to guide you where you get confused. Every scenario is different, so at the end of the day, make sure you love the way your art is displayed and appreciate it. A home is all about a person who lives in the space and creates a unique interior with his own unique style, personality and experiences in life. आशा करती हूँ कि आपको मेरे वीडियोस का कंटेंट पसंद आ रहा होगा. सो प्लीज़ डू शेयर माय वीडियोस एंड डू गिव मी अ थम्स अप. एंड जो ये नीचे बटन है इसे ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन so that you get the notifications of all my upcoming videos. तो मिलते हैं next week with some new ideas that will surely amaze you. Stay tuned for such informative videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep creating. Bye bye.